Microsoft Azure Administrator AZ-104 exam. Practice exam questions. What we offer. Study 4 exam offers Microsoft Azure Administrator AZ-104 web-based, PDF and desktop practice tests, making it easy to prepare for the Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate exam. Our Microsoft AZ-104 web-based and desktop testing technique provides a real-time Microsoft Azure Administrator AZ-104 exam environment. We have Azure Administrator Associate certified professional experts who design the practice questions after receiving feedback from successful candidates. All Microsoft AZ-104 exam questions are curriculum-based and cover all the latest Microsoft AZ-104 exam topics. Web and desktop-based practice tests enable you to point out your preparation weaknesses, so you can work hard to fix them before appearing for the actual Microsoft Azure Administrator AZ-104 exam. Sample questions. Please have a look at our sample Microsoft AZ-104 test questions, the purpose of which is to give you an idea of what to expect in our self-assessment testing tools as well as in the actual Microsoft AZ-104 exam. Want to practice more questions? Follow the link in the description for more Microsoft AZ-104 exam questions. We have Microsoft AZ-104 practice questions available in 3 different formats. Web-based Microsoft AZ-104 practice test, Microsoft AZ-104 questions and answers, PDF, Microsoft AZ-104 desktop practice test software. Follow the link in the description to get access to all versions of our practice test.